coffee run. One thing is different about this moto vlog is we have another angle. Added another camera to the setup. For the longest time I was running the GoPro Hero 8 as my sole helmet cam, but now I've swapped the Hero 8 on my helmet for a Hero 11 Black Mini, and so that seems to be a nice form factor for the helmet. It's a little smaller. The only thing is that if you want to get audio, you still have to add, you know, an adapter. So that does kind of negate some of the benefits that you get with the smaller form factor. Had to add this little audio adapter and a little special access door to the Hero 11 Mini, but it does give me good video. I took some video on it the last moto vlog I did. Didn't really advertise it that much, but with this one let the viewing audience know that, hey, you added another angle. And so what I did with the Hero 8 that I was running is now that's a selfie cam. I can also use it for other angles as needed. I do have a mount on my frame on the right side of the bike, right by the exhaust, that I use to capture some audio. So I had my task cam kind of mounted right by the exhaust at one point, so that mount is still there, serve multiple purposes. So eventually when I try to get fancy, I can do some kind of rear wheel shots, maybe some suspension shots or something like that. But yeah, the bike is set up pretty nicely. There's some additional video capture capability. Not too much more that I need to do to the Z900. There might be 3 additional kind of modifications I may look into, and that's ECU tune, suspension upgrade, and if I really get bored, maybe some steel braided brake lines. But other than that, I think this bike is good to go. It's pretty sorted. Oh, and if you know, the people that make the Z Cup belly panes, those racing belly panes, if they ever get some more in stock, I may think about doing that. Those look pretty nice. It's not too many that I like, but those I think it's Carbonvice. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll post it in the video, little overlay in the video. But yeah, those look pretty nice. I like those. Yeah, this is the new setup.